You know, the whole parent-child thing is a bit of a pain on Amazon, no doubt about it. Let's do, just for easy things, I don't know why this popped into my head, yoga pants. Or let's do yoga socks. I won't do the yoga pants one. I won't do that one. So yoga socks, let's try that one. All right, so yoga socks, that's a prime thing for a variation, okay? A prime thing for a variation, because your variations would be the sizes of the socks. So let's just see if they've got them. So here's the, oh, it's the colors. All right, great. So colors, they've got different colors, all right? Now, here's the weird part, Steve, okay? Once you've set up your parent, Amazon doesn't really use your parent anymore. It's an odd thing that you have to set it up, but it doesn't really use it, because what Amazon actually shows afterwards is the childs. So it shows the child listings. Here we go. And what Steve's trying to get to is, how does he change these different things in there? So yoga socks, let's just do a search for black. How do we get the different listings to show up like that? Okay, so the easy way is, once you create your parent and child listing, go back in to it and then you edit the child listing, and then you can edit the image directly from there. So you don't edit the parent listing, you edit the child, and it will show up in your inventory. That's where it shows up from memory. So you can edit each child, and you can edit the appropriate image, and you should also edit the title as well to reflect that. And then you go in, do that, and then save each one. Give it 48 hours, Steve, and that should do it, mate. So if you've already done it, go back in, go into your inventory, find your child items, click edit, upload your image, and then repeat that process for each of your child items. Wait 48 hours, and that should be it, Steve. So if it isn't, let me know, but that should do it, mate. Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.